everyone! Have you ever been to Harvest Cape, Belize? If you haven't, we're gonna give you a tour right now. And this is the pier that will bring you to Harvest Cape. You can shop, you can enjoy the pool. You can relax at the beach. You can play chess. You can experience wildlife.
Thank you. Back here is where you have the zip line, the lagoon, and the ropes course. From zip line to the beach, lagoons, to nature, and animals. There really is something for everyone here. She's hot. It's very hot. Alright, so it is 12 o'clock and now we are checking in for our snorkeling and we're going to the Barrier Reef.
Everyone,
Step. Cold, huh? Got off the boat. Now we're in the water. Ready to swim. Done snorkeling and now we are headed to our room. Step 9.
There's something about your way makes me want just one more day with your darling. Oh, you got my heart right on my chest. Baby.
Well, we had to sit down for a minute because as soon as we walked off the ship, Ariel threw up. We'll put this footage in right here. What's wrong? Oh!
Okay, well that one goes.
Are you gonna throw up again?
Oh, thank
Do you have some napkins? My daughter's throwing up. Thank you. You just look like you were about to throw up.
Has she been feeling like that all day?
No, just now. Just like I just looked at her and I was like, "Are you okay?" And then as soon as I said that, she threw up. She was,
Something she ate this morning.
yeah, she only had what, orange juice and half a pancake.
The gentleman that's in charge of the area, he was saying maybe you might have her just check in by the medics just to see if she's okay. Medics is right by the sea.
Okay.
You meet them over that side just to make sure she's okay.
Okay.
Is she okay? What's her name? Hello.
Ariel.
Hi. Are you feeling okay?
I think she's feeling better, and we will continue walking around. All right, everyone, we are back in the room. We had to come back because, number one, Ariel threw up outside. I like stopped and I looked at her and I was like, "Are you okay?" And as soon as I said that, she threw up.